So yun, pagpasok ko kanina may maglaki pala kaming party sa Realtor. So ako lang mag-isa may trabaho dito sa kabila.
No, now you work with the expert. Hey, Linda, you work with the expert, Linda.
Yan, dalawang asla doon nagtrabaho sa kabila, pero tinatanong ko pa rin silang dalawa kung okay lang ba sila. Para yun, smooth naman yung galaw nilang dalawa. So walang problema. So niluto ko dyan is 8 pounds na fried chicken and 8 pounds na grilled chicken and 5 pounds na fried shrimp and 5 pounds na grilled shrimp and 1 pan na haspapi. So kinuha ko lang yun ng 30 minutes ng lahat.
Yeah, gentleman, Trump. Trump, I know you're a gentleman, man. I know you're a gentleman. What are you doing up? That girl is struggling. Didn't think I need help, man. Yeah, what I was gonna do? Pa ako 15 minutes para matapos to yung lahat na ang naluto ko, yung lahat na sa window tama to. Ganyan ang later pag trabaho. Later, you need 911? Baba! I'm gonna ask my partner if she needs 911. Wala ka tawag ba? Wala ka dyan. Nagpapong 12 minutes. Everything's good. Tawa sila yung trabaho doon sa kabila eh.
But you're the one struggling over there.
What do you mean?
You're struggling.
I have a lot. Superman struggle. Hey, so what is Superman, Linda? What is Superman?
It's okay. It's okay.
Dale is here. The business is good. Don't struggle, Joe. Trump. Come on, man. Son, this thing. You better talk to you. I need 911, Trump. I don't need 911 now. I got it. I got the business right. I got it, my boy. I got it, my boy. Woo! What is mine? Yan natin niluto ko. Everything for the parts. And that one, 30 minutes, daddy. 30 minutes. My body right there. Woo! The whole out window clock, it's 10:52. So it's not even 30 minutes. The whole food I cook.